Hey everyone, Michelle Markey with Medina Domestic Art Studio. Quick tip. Let's say that you have come in and colored something that is completely wrong. In this particular case, see this green right here? I'm sitting here staring at my hummingbirds, realizing that they have a band of white that goes around their neck, below the color, but before it gets to their chest. And that band is white to light gray. So in order to fix this, I have pulled out an acrylic white marker. And I'm just going to show you how I'm doing this. I'm just going to come in here and put in a little bit of white. Now I'm trying to just create a little band. Now be careful here because as you can see, you can color up the thread pretty easily. Now this isn't doing 100% cover up, but in a way I don't mind that. I kind of like a little bit of color showing through. It gives the appearance of a blended color. So in the future, if you need to make a very large correction, of course, many of you already know about my Boo Boo pen, which is nothing more than white out. Give this a try. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. As always, thanks for watching.